Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. We have a local trade-in, really nice car. Was going to send it to the auction until I really got looking at it, put it through the shop, checked it out. The car is in fantastic condition, and these little Priuses are some of the best cars ever made as far as mechanical issues or problems. They just really don't have much at all that ever goes wrong. 15 model Persona series, 153,000 miles, local trade, previous customer of mine. And I'll walk around and let you look at it. Really nice car. Got the good wheels and tires on it. Leather interior. So don't see these. I don't see these very often with leather. The dash is not dark, which does go wrong on some of these cars. Someone's fixed that over time. Seats are really nice. 2 sets of keys. Door panels are nice. Rear seat is really nice. 2 of the wheels had a little curb rash on them. We fixed both of them. Touched those up. They're looking good. The paint is like really slick and shiny. We buffed it, polished it, put paint sealant on it as we do all of our cars. So it should stay looking like that for a while. Persona series. Everything works. It runs and drives great. No leaks, no squeaks, no rattles, no bangs, no smells. All the fluids and filters are done. Tires are good, no issues. Just a really great little commuter. These things get about 45 miles a gallon when they're used like this. You walk around and let you take a look at it. Beautiful little car. As always, you can reach me on my cell phone directly anytime. I usually answer day or night. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks a lot for shopping. Sawnee Mountain Motors. Have a great day.